Hello everyone! Today I've got a quick question for you. Should I respond to an email message I got from Banggood asking if I want to be an affiliate? So this morning, like most mornings shortly after I got up, I checked my email, and to my surprise, I got an email message from Erica at Banggood. The email message says, "Hi, this is Erica from Banggood YouTube team, which is an international online retailer. I'm reaching out to you because I am very impressed by the professional and interesting videos in your YouTube channel, and there is a chance for us to build a business relationship. We'd like to collaborate with you on product review or coupon details. Please check out our website. Just reply me if this seems interesting to you. Send me a message so we can clarify the rest of the details. Thanks for your consideration. Looking forward to your reply, Erica." Now, this is not the first time Banggood's contacted me. It was a little over a year ago. They sent me a DM to my personal Reddit account, not my 507RC Reddit account, but my personal one, asking if I wanted to work with them on a product review. But I was a little confused why they contacted me on my personal account, since I didn't use that much at all anymore, and I replied asking what I did to deserve getting a message from them. And their response was basically that they did a keyword search and found me. And that didn't, well, it wasn't really a satisfactory answer to my question. So I just left it at that, didn't respond to them at all. So this time, at least I knew they were contacting me because of my 507RC YouTube channel. And my guess is that my last video that I did about the Caddx Nebula camera must have gotten their attention somehow. Another reason I say that is because the same Banggood employee, Erica, also left me a message on Instagram where I posted the same thumbnail that I used of the Caddx Nebula camera for my YouTube video where I was talking about that. So I wonder if they're watching my channel at all, and if they are, I wonder if they'll see this video. So Erica, if you are watching this, leave me a comment. All right, so that brings me to my question. Should I do it? Should I become a Banggood affiliate? How should I respond to their email message? Should I just ignore it? Should I respond showing interest? Should I ask them more questions? If you got this email from Erica, how would you respond? If any of you are also already Banggood affiliates, how's that working out for you? If you had the chance, would you do it all over again? Personally, I've not bought much from Banggood in the past. I tend to prefer to purchase things from stores that are based in the United States when I can. I've just heard so many horror stories from people that bought things from Banggood that didn't go so well. I'm sure a lot of those are possibly the customers. I don't know, not really their fault, but maybe they did something strange and tried to cancel something in a way they shouldn't. I don't know. But there's just enough of those out there that makes you kind of wonder if there's something going on at Banggood that makes, I don't know, their customer support maybe not the greatest. But anyway, I have heard from other people that they get quite a bit of revenue from Banggood, but I don't really want to make a YouTube channel that's all just about reviewing odd Banggood stuff either. So anyway, got a lot to think about, and I'm really curious what people think. Anyway, so I don't know, that's all I've got for now for this video. Just looking for some advice from everyone out there on how you all think I should respond to this message from Erica at Banggood. Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.